Hey everybody, this video shows me dry fitting the foundation of the Spring Run kit. I already talked about the importance of doing a dry fit before gluing your house, and the foundation is of course equally important. Before I glue the foundation together, I find it easier to paint the first and second coats while it's unassembled. Painting should be done in thin coats with sanding in between to get a nice finish. I'm using 150 grit sandpaper. You do need to be careful not to get any paint where the glue will go, but if you do, lightly sand it off after the paint dries. Sand your pieces one more time before you assemble. When you're ready to glue, lay out all the pieces and gather everything you need so it's in reach. Your glue, a wet rag, a dry rag, painter's tape or masking tape, clamps, a small paintbrush to wipe off excess glue, and the instructions, of course. For the Spring Run kit, you can see the grooves on the foundation walls that will join together all around the base. I'm doing this on the floor because the house is on the table and my counter is too small, so keep your workspace in mind before you get started. I'm using painter's tape first to keep the joints square while I glue the rest of the pieces. Use a small paintbrush or a wet rag to remove any excess glue. I decided to use the clamps to get a tighter fit, and I used tape for the other side. Let the glue dry for about 3 or 4 hours, and then you can remove the tape and clamps. Remember that I sanded the foundation before gluing it together, so now I'm painting the third and final coat. This coat of paint will fill in the small joints where the pieces were glued together. If you're new to my channel and like what you see, hit the like button and subscribe so you'll know when I post again. Thank you for watching.